Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Inventive Tech, a channel dedicated to new ultimate gadgets and innovations. In this video, I am going to share 7 amazing woodworking tools which can be very helpful in your day-to-day life. So make sure you watch this video till the end and I guarantee you will surely love this. Let's get started. Number 7. Craftsman Flex Claw Hammer. More than just a hammer, this Flex Claw Hammer lets you strike, pry, start, and remove nails with ease, and increased leverage. Ideal for DIYers of all levels. It features a large striking surface and a comfort grip, so you'll worry less about denting your work surface, slippage, or getting bruised fingers. This combo Flex Claw features 2 great tools in one, with both an 18-ounce hammer and an adjustable pry bar. The claw has 4 different locking positions, so you can customize your leverage depending on the job at hand. Number 6. 18-volt OCTANE Hammer Drill Driver. The OCTANE Brush-less 18-volt hammer drill driver features high-performance brushless motors and advanced electronics that provide best-in-class power and intelligence. Paired with an OCTANE battery, not included, this tool gives an industry-leading 1,300 inch-pounds of torque and over 65% more power when needed for high-demand applications. This means under heavy loads, the tool talks to the battery to determine when to draw maximum power to the motor, allowing the tool to increase performance and finish the task. With registration, this tool is backed by the industry's only lifetime service agreement. Free parts, free service for life. This OCTANE hammer drill also includes an auxiliary handle, an operator's manual, battery and charger sold separately. Number 5. Woolcraft Corner Clamp. Woolcraft's right angle clamp is a durable tool that functions as a third hand for every handyman. Use it for simple tasks like aligning and clamping parts for nailing, welding, and servicing. And use it for more complicated jobs like making cabinets or box frames. You can use it as a clamping device for 90-degree corner joints, a saw guide for 45-degree miter cuts, and as a workbench vise. The clamp's ergonomic handles and quick release buttons allow for easy adjustments, while the 2.5-inch jaw capacity handles most clamping jobs. Number 4. Keter Folding Work Table. A convenient workstation for professionals, Keter Folding Table has a clever design that allows 30-second setup. It's easy to carry around thanks to the integrated handle and lightweight plastic materials. The work table can be comfortably transported from one job to another or from the garage to the garden. Its 2 integrated 12-inch clamps and a 1,000-pound weight capacity ensures that this table can handle various types of projects. You can place frequently used tools to the bottom of the tray to have them within reach while working. Number 3. BLACKDECKER 20-volt Max Orbit Sander. The BLACKDECKER 20-volt Max cordless random orbit sander brings cordless convenience for small projects and quick touches. Great for sanding tables, chairs, doors, and more. With this cordless battery-powered sander, you'll be free from the frustration of cables and extensions holding you back. Part of the 18-volt lithium-ion system, the lithium-ion battery can hold a charge for up to 18 months while not in use, meaning your sander is ready for your next project when you need it. One battery system, endless possibilities. The dust collection canister lets you leave a smooth, clean finish by helping to keep your work surface clean as you go. Number 2. Bosch Easy Cut. Fast and convenient for a precise cut. That's what the new Nanoblade saws from Bosch stand for. The handy tools are the world's first saws with a Nanoblade. A mini saw blade with a uniform circulating chain. The advantage is that the stroke movement that is typical for jigsaws and saber saws, with high vibrations and the course of the saw blade is eliminated. The result is a saw that even casual gardeners and inexperienced do-it-yourselfers can saw in a particularly easy, vibration-free, and thus a less tiring way. Number 1. Rockwell Bladerunner X2 Portable Table Saw. The new Rockwell Bladerunner X2 RK7323 is a compact, easy-to-use table saw designed to cut wood, metal, plastic, and ceramic tile. It is lightweight and portable, the perfect addition for any job site. No more holding a saw in one hand and your material in the other. The Bladerunner X2 offers fixed blade placement, so you have both hands on the material for easier, more precise results. It is a unique, multi-purpose machine that combines the cutting characteristics of a table saw, jigsaw, bandsaw, and scroll saw all into one incredibly easy-to-use and versatile tool. In the past, you would need multiple saws to perform rip cuts or scroll cuts, but not anymore. You can perform all these cuts now using only one tool, just by changing out the blades. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do by making it. Let me know by commenting below which woodworking tools you like the most. If you want to buy any of these tools, then the links are in my description. That's all for today. If you like this video, then please support us by sharing with your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.